EGC is on its way to become the favorite meme coin. Here's why. EverGrow coin is a new cryptocurrency that uses a frictionless yield farming and liquidity protocol to function. It was a big hit on the market when it first came out thanks to its unique formulation, features, and advantages. Its unique feature of combining cryptocurrencies with decentralized finance continues to attract massive numbers of investors. Keep in mind that when it comes to your hard-earned cash, we don't claim to be financial experts, so at the end of the day, it's entirely up to you what you do with the information we provide in our content. This video will discuss why EverGrow coin is becoming so popular and on its way to best Doge and Shiba as the best meme coin. The race is on. Before we go any further, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about meme coins. The most important question for an investor to ask before purchasing a cryptocurrency token is, why should I buy it? Well, EverGrow coin, which was launched in September, appears to have ticked all the right boxes in a short period of time. Its originality comes from the fact that it's the first crypto to generate passive income for its holders on Binance, which is backed by US dollars. But what exactly is EverGrow? What is EverGrow? It is a hyper-deflationary coin, and its rarity increases with time, leading some to assume it will tumble at some point. But it's built on tokenomics and smart contract concepts, so that probably won't happen. This isn't the end of the qualities that set it apart from other coins though. Traders that use the EGC currency receive an 8% return on every Binance USD transaction. This is awesome because instead of swapping any other token, the investor gains passive income in dollars. People on social media sites such as Twitter and Facebook have also started spreading the word about the vibes. Twitter users think that EverGrow coin will be a game changer. Let's dig a little deeper to find out exactly what makes this coin so attractive to traders. Let's get it started. EverGrow's deflationary tokens aren't the only thing it has to offer. EverGrow coin pricing pays out in USD to its users. This functionality is a huge plus for customers who don't have the luxury of reconsidering every investment or having non-virtual cash on hand following a transaction. Most of you are probably hoping to add the EverGrow currency to your Coinbase or Binance wallet. Sadly, the EverGrow coin is yet to be listed on any of the major cryptocurrency exchanges, but considering the coin's current performance, it won't be long until it's listed on these exchanges. With the help of pancakeswap and Trust Wallet, you can still buy currency that isn't listed on the exchange, and it also applies to the EverGrow currency, which can be purchased using Bitcoin or PooCoin. The huge profit margins have sparked a lot of curiosity about the EverGrow coin price and, more importantly, how to acquire them. But EGC is a Binance Smart Chain based BEP20 token, so you can send your Bitcoin to Binance, convert it to BNB, then send it to your own wallet using Binance Smart Chain and exchange your BNB for EGC on PancakeSwap. This is the easiest way to get it. There have been a few hints as to what else the EGC developers might be working on. Gods Unchained, a play-to-earn game, is in the works, so you can earn EGC with a little bit of fun added to the mix, as well as availability on more exchanges other than PancakeSwap.